Yeah, so I'm feeling little, complex कि आप सबके सामने I have to speak in English because you people are talking so gracefully, so beautifully. I remember the first day when we started the class and you all the videos were shut and Ravi Bhaiya and mine was the only video. uh, it was just on. So yeah, it feels like your child growing. I'm sure Ravi Bhaiya must be feeling same. In fact, he must be feeling, I mean, I'm speechless. What he is feeling, I can feel that. So it is so wonderful. I want to share one thing. When this thought came to my mind that we want to start the class, English class. So I discussed with 4 5 people. They said, "नहीं यार, just leave it. क्या करेंगे ऐसे करके? There are many classes." But one day, I just woke up and I couldn't resist myself. Remember, Ravi Bhaiya, I called you once, then 4 5 days back, later I called you again.
Right.
So I couldn't resist myself, maybe because of you were waiting for Ravi Bhaiya. And for this session, Parmita Didi and Ravi Bhaiya invited me. I'm so glad to see you all. So just keep growing. You all are the best. You have the best teacher as well. We have the best master. That is it. Thank you, Ravi Bhaiya.
Thank you so much, Pasi Didi, for joining. And I would say that whosoever is giving this credit to me that I have done something, trust me that all credit goes to her only, because she's the one who has this idea, and idea always has the more value. So actually Prachi Didi is the one who came to me and he said, because I was already running a YouTube channel where I was occupied, but she came to me that, Bhaiya, can you go ahead and teach online? I was like, yeah, I can.
To teach everybody like a family. Hats off, Bhaiya.
We could realize this.
It is our fun time.
So committed. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anita Didi, it is fine. Let's go for it. So I have multiple games today. I am okay. So the couple of people. Yes, Anita Didi, you can. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. It's my pleasure. It was my pleasure. I get all of you and I belong to you. I love you all. And we are here. We meet whenever we get time, whenever we thank you.
See, I don't want.
Bhaiya, I will join on 16.
Yes, yes, Anita Didi.
Bhaiya will not allow you.
He will.
No, Bhaiya, no.
He will.
Because you are crying.
No, I am smiling.
Okay, if you cried the another time, I will ask Kishorji to take you to Singapore. So if you really want to go to Singapore, you can cry. I don't mind. Kishorji, here is an opportunity for you.
Yes, sir.
You can encash it.
Yes. If she
Bhaiya,
will laugh,
actually, she
then I
is
will not.
crying because she wants to go.
Guys, you can book the ticket. Oh, yes. Obviously,
She
the
wants to
intention
go
is
to
very clear.
Singapore.
Yes.
I already went there. My son did his BTech from there.
Okay. So you mean you do not want to go Singapore, but you want to go with Kishorji? Okay. You can always tell it. Kishorji, wrong proposal. You probably have to give some other location.
Yes, yes. I thought Singapore is the best location, but I don't know why she not want to go there.
She is saying it that she has been there. So therefore she doesn't want to go.
Bye.
Bye, Anita ji.
Bye. Thank you.
She is going, yeah?
But yeah, it was
Okay.
really a beautiful journey.
Yes, it is.
Thank
But
you.
This journey
it
is-
has not ended, Anita ji.
Huh?
It has not ended.
Yes.
Yes, it is just the beginning.
Right.
That's
Then why
exactly.
are you so
Beginning.
serious?
I already told Bhaiya, this is our, this is beginning.
Beginning.
This
Yes,
is
all of these will play, and the game is, it's a very unique game. You can call it. You have to create silly faces. Okay, and I'll give you some example. Silly faces like touching your nose, you can do like this, or pout. You can make pouts. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes, we are.
Okay, go for it. Yes, Premlata Didi, you can go ahead and make silly faces. Yes, yes, go for it. Yo, silly face. Pout now, you can pout. Yo. I mean, this is called confidence building. Okay, next, Paramita Di. Yes, make silly
She is
faces.
looking so beautiful today.
Absolutely, she is. Indeed, she is looking so beautiful. Okay, perfect. Next, Chanchal Didi. I am sure she can make the best faces one could ever see. Yes, Chanchal Didi, go for it. Wow. We knew it, by the way, that you can make the best faces. These are all. Oh, okay. Next, Saurabh Bhaiya, your turn. Some funny faces. I mean, it has to be funny.
Okay.
Funniest. People should laugh. Other people have to make a guess. So now the game is you have to tell us two truths and one lie. And the other people have to judge which one is lie. If you tell correct, you win. If you don't, you lose. Okay, is the game clear to everyone?
Yes, we are.
Savitri?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Is it clear? Okay. So the game, I'm just repeating it once again. You have to tell two truth. Rest all the people have to make a guess whether it is which one is lie. Okay. So anyone can start. Okay, let's start. Saurabh Bhaiya, you start. Two truth and one lie. You have to speak. It could be
Yeah,
anything.
actually, your voice was breaking, so I didn't understand what you said.
Okay, I'm saying the game is very simple. You have to speak two truth and one lie.
Okay.
Okay? And the rest team has to make a guess which one is lie. If they make a right guess, that means they win. If not,
Okay.
they lose. And anybody can answer.
Okay.
Yes, go for it.
Mm,
Yes.
I have done my dinner.
Okay,
Okay.
one.
So भैया मुझे मतलब I have to tell this is truth or lie. I have to
You
tell.
have to no, you don't have to mention whether it is truth or lie.
Okay. I have
You have
just
to say
three sentences.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
My first sentence is I have done my dinner, and
No.
second one is I am single, And third one is mm, I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning today.
The lie is that you had completed your meal.
No, that is truth.
Right, you are singer. Yes, we are second. He is not singer.
Last one was wrong. Then
The last
first and second were true.
Last
Oh.
one is lie. Last one is not.
You did not wake up at 5 o'clock today.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
this
is
is lie. Okay.
That is lie. That is lie, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so who is not in the game? Did you get it now? That's the way it has to be. So you have to be let's quick. So who is next? Mamta ji, go for it. You have to say.
I woke up in the morning at 4 o'clock. And I had eaten balu shahi, which is desi ghee made. And I have cooked chole chawal. Repeat it.
Okay.
I have chole
She
chawal.
woke up at 4 o'clock. She has made chole chawal and she had a desi ghee balusai.
Chole chawal is a lie, I think.
No.
No, she likes desi ghee. I think second option is lie.
No.
She did not eat desi ghee
balu
balusai.
shahi.
Get up early in the morning. This is lie.
Yeah, she can get up at early, I think.
This is lie. Am I right? Actually, Premlata is right.
Like, I will not
She did not have desi ghee balusai. Okay. Kishore ji.
Yes, sir. I wake up at 4 o'clock. And I did my dinner. And third, I came late from office. Tell me, which one is wrong?
The third sentence is wrong.
Eh?
Third sentence is wrong.
Which one?
You came office at the late hour.
No, yes. It's correct.
Wonderful. Wow, that's nice.
Yes,
In first go, she got it.
yes, yes.
Okay. Parvata Didi, it's your turn.
And I did take dinner.
What is the second sentence?
I have 4 kids.
Second is wrong.
Second
That was very clear, by the way. Everyone knew it.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Okay. Next is Premlata ji. Can you hear us?
Yes, Bhaiya. Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, go for it. Please tell us.
Okay. First, I always sleep at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
I cooked every day rajma rice, and I have no any kids.
Okay. I'm sure the second one. You cannot cook rajma rice every day.
Yes, Raiva rice is wrong.
Yeah,
That was easy one.
Yes, it is.
But third is also wrong, Via, because I have 2 kids now. I have got 2 kids.
So there was 2 lie and 1 truth.
Oh, yeah.
Let's change the game now.
Yes, Via.
Game is wrong.
Okay, she has mixed the game. Next, who is left?
Savitri Didi.
Sir, me.
Savitri Didi.
Muskan and Chanchal, I think, left.
Yes.
And sir, we are left.
Okay, go for it then. Chanchal Didi, go. You can go ahead. Yes.
I call to Muskan daily.
That is the truth. I know.
Yes,
Yeah.
Via.
I wear kurti or suit sometimes.
That is also truth, I guess.
I have eaten chole at dinner. In dinner.
This is lie.
And Chanchal, what about your golgappe?
It's after lockdown.
Nowadays, Golgappe are not available, sir. Market.
Now, another game is going to be little. Do you have pillow in your house? A small pillow,
Yes, yes.
little serious one. It's a music pillow. सोफे का जो pillow होता है, cushion होता है. Do you have that pillow?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Cushion
take
pillow,
it that
yes.
way. Yes,
Yes.
everyone should have it. और make your video on. आपका video on रहना चाहिए.
Yes.
We will see you. So get your pillow. आप pillow लेके आओ छोटा सा एक. और फिर मैं आपको game बताता हूँ.
ये इस pillow. Cushion.
Okay. मैं यहाँ पर म्यूजिक प्ले करूंगा एंड यू ऑल कैन लिसन टू इट. और आपको क्या करना है, इस पिलो को हाथ में लेना है और नीचे रखना है. नीचे रखना है, फिर उठाना है, फिर रखना है, फिर उठाना है, फिर रखना है. ये और थोड़ा स्लो करना है, स्लो स्लो. ठीक है? आर यू गेटिंग इट? वीडियो सबका ऑन रहेगा. तो मेरा ही ऑन है. हाँ, वीडियो सबका ऑन रहेगा. आपको अपना पिलो लेना है, यू हैव टू होल्ड इट और उसको सामने रखना है, फिर उठाना है, फिर सामने रखना है, फिर उठाना है. ये करना है. ठीक है? क्लियर है? और जैसे म्यूजिक बंद होगा, आराम, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं, थोड़ा आराम आराम से रखेंगे. ठीक है? हाँ. और जैसे ही म्यूजिक बंद होगा, जिसका पिलो उसके पास होगा, बस फिर स्टार्ट होगा गेम. तो ठीक है? तो अपना कैमरा ऑफ कोई नहीं करेगा. ठीक है? आई एम स्टार्टिंग द म्यूजिक नाउ.
किशोर जी भैया.
Carry on, carry on. Hold it. Be there only. आप can see है. Be honest. ममता दीदी,
यस भैया.
अनीता जी, आई थिंक भैया.
आपका पिलो कहाँ था?
हाथ में.
हाथ में था ना? हाँ. और किसका था हाथ में? जल्दी से बता दो आप खुद ही, नहीं तो मैं
भैया, आई थिंक
मेरा था.
परमिता जी.
परमिता दीदी. और किसका था?
गीता दी.
गीता दीदी का था, परमिता दीदी का था और ममता दीदी का, और किसी का भी था?
किशोर
हाँ मेरा भी था सर।
अच्छा चलिए बढ़िया, 4 जने हो गए अभी हमारे पास, ठीक है। हाँ तो अब 2-2 जने मिलके एक साथ करेंगे, तो हो गए ममता दीदी और परमिता दी, और गीता दीदी और किशोर जी। वाह, किशोर जी का तो नाम भी किशोर जी है, ठीक है। तो अब हम जल्दी जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो पहले ममता दीदी के साथ और परमिता दीदी दोनों जने करेंगे। और क्या करेंगे बताइए ममता दीदी, क्या करेंगे आप सॉन्ग सुना सकते हैं, कोई जोक सुना सकते हैं, कोई डायलॉग बोल सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा डांस भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो
भैया मुझे तो सिर्फ सॉन्ग आता है,
बताइए क्या करेंगे।
ना डांस आता
हाँ
है
जी,
मुझे, ना जोक्स आते हैं।
सॉन्ग यस। और परमिता जी आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, आप चाहो तो, नहीं तो आप अलग से सेपरेट कुछ करना।
वनीता साथ में कर लेते हैं।
हाँ हाँ साथ में करेंगे।
विच सॉन्ग वनीता?
आई डोंट नो एनी बॉलीवुड।
नहीं परमिता जी से हम बंगाली सॉन्ग सुनेंगे, आप ममता दीदी सुनाओ।
ओके। एंड भैया एक और चीज सुनेंगे उनसे, वो आपको दादा बोलेगी, ठीक है?
ठीक है।
आजा बंगाली लुक में भी वो कुर्ता उड़ता। बदलेंगे धरती की तस्वीर को हम, बदलेंगे इस आसमां को, हम दिव्य ज्योति से रोशन करेंगे अंधेरों भरे इस जहां को, बदलेंगे धरती की तस्वीर को हम, बदलेंगे इस आसमां को, हम दिव्य ज्योति से रोशन करेंगे अंधेरों भरे इस जहां को, फहराएंगे हम धर्म ध्वज अपना ऊंचे शिखरों पे जाकर, पर्वत भी देखेगा जिसकी ऊंचाई को तो अपनी नजरें उठाकर, है किसकी हिम्मत जो रोकेगा के सच्चाई की आसमां को, हम दिव्य ज्योति से रोशन करेंगे अंधेरों भरे इस जहां को, हम दिव्य ज्योति से रोशन करेंगे अंधेरों भरे इस जहां को। Thank you.
बहुत very well, excellent. Okay, and now Paramita Didi, come on stage.
Yeah, I don't sing as well.
It's okay, it's a game.
Okay, Dada.
It's a part of it. So yes, do you know any Bengali song?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. তুমি যে আমার যুগে যুগে আমি তোমারি, আমি আছি সেই যে তোমার, তুমি আছো সেই আমারি সঙ্গী। Yeah.
Very good. I think I know this song. This song is Dil Mein Ho Tum. ऐसे ही, is this the song?
हाँ 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 भैया।
Oh, wow, nice. Okay, Kishore ji, your name is so great, Kishore ji, that it reminds me of Kishore Da, you know, who is a great singer. Kishore ji, okay, I think he's just running. Okay, who Geeta Didi? Geeta Didi, over to you. Yes, what do you want to do? A song, a dance, or a joke?
कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे अभी इस टाइम पे।
ऐसे नहीं. You have to do something. I think a song will be much simpler. So go for a song.
बिल्कुल नहीं याद आ रहा मुझे।
You can sing any song or maybe a joke.
Yes, Pitaji, you can sing a song.
Jagita ji, you are a Punjabi belongs from a Punjabi family.
No. Okay. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना।
Very good. Kishore ji, are you still there? Okay, no problem. I'm starting the music. कोई बात नहीं. He'll come back. Then we'll give him. So I'm starting the music again. Okay. Who is the winner? अभी कौन है? ममता दीदी आप बताओ कौन है इस बार?
भैया I cannot
You don't see. Anyone? Saurabh bhaiya, who has the pillow this time?
I think we should start again once. I think